Welcome back, guys. So today's video is a very special one because I have something really exciting to share with you. Where do I begin? First of all, this is the makeup look that I will be creating for you guys. This has been my go-to glam for the last little while. It was really inspired by my hair color. So you guys know that I have been on a journey with Garnier for a few years now, and a couple months ago I posted a video letting you guys know that I'm going to be in a campaign with Garnier. Today, I'm showing you guys the campaign. It will be out soon. It turned out amazing. I'm so excited to share this with you guys. I'm gonna share it with you in just a second, but first, a little bit backstory in case you missed the other videos. So a couple months ago, I did a video showing you guys how I got this hair color, the Garnier Olia Darkest Red Rose 3.6. I am obsessed with this color. I got the opportunity to be in Garnier's campaign for this color. We shot the whole campaign in New York and it was amazing. I'm gonna link the video for you guys where I show you guys how I colored my hair and a little bit of behind the scenes of the New York trip. I'm gonna link it for you right here. So please make sure you check that out. The campaign's gonna be out soon and you guys are getting the very first preview for it right here, right now. All right, roll it. As a beauty blogger, I get to try so many different products and I love to change the color of my hair. Color can switch up your look dramatically. What's different about Olia is I know that I can go bold with my color and my hair is gonna look and feel healthy afterwards. I love that it has oils in it. And I love the color payoff. It's very fresh and it's ammonia free. I'm on camera all the time. I like to keep it interesting and Olia just makes me look and feel my best. Olia. I don't even know what to say. I'm just like, I honestly don't even know what to say. I feel so grateful. None of this could have been possible without you guys. So I thank you guys so much for always being so supportive. And I cannot wait to hear what you guys think about the campaign. I think it turned out amazing. This color has been so fun to have. And I'm so happy that I could share this with you guys today. So let's get into this video. There's two parts to it. I'm gonna show you a little bit about my hair and I'm gonna show you a full tutorial on this makeup look. So let's get into it. Before I get into the makeup, I need to do a little touch up. So the last time that I colored my hair with the Garnier 3.6 Darkest Red Rose color was about a few months ago. What I like to do to maintain my color is to do a root touch up every few months. I'm definitely due for one. So I'm gonna really quickly show you guys how I do a root touch up and show you the fresh color after, and then we'll get into the makeup. And that is the color all done. The root touch up, you guys could see my roots are totally touched up. I love the way that looks. And then what I like to do is I apply the color of my roots for 20 minutes and then I take the rest of the color that's in the bottle and run it through all the way through my ends and leave it on my ends for 10 minutes. So then that way the whole color is freshened up and touched up and it just looks beautiful and gorgeous and shiny, and I seriously love the way this looks. So that is it for the hair. Let's get into this makeup look. I'm just gonna get the hair out of the way for now, and then we'll tweak it after the makeup is done. I've already gone ahead and did my foundation and my concealer and my powder. You've seen me do it 100 times, so I'm just gonna go straight into the eyes, and I'm starting off with a little bit of eye primer. This is from Smashbox. It is the 24-hour Photo Finish Shadow Primer. I like this one because it's super easy to blend. I think sometimes with eye primers, if you don't blend them properly, they can make your eyeshadow look really blotchy. So when they're nice and creamy like this one, it makes it just so much easier to blend. And I usually like to take it all the way up I don't need it on my nose. I don't know why I got it on my nose, but I usually like to take it all the way up to my brows. And if I'm doing kind of more of a smoky look, which I don't think I'm really gonna do a smoky look today, but I sometimes like to take it on my lower lash line. So the palette that I'm gonna be using today is a beautiful palette from BH Cosmetics. This one here, it's the Desert Oasis palette. Look how gorgeous this is. You guys, this has so many beautiful colors. All these tones are so gorgeous. I love the bright colors as well. I have to say, BH Cosmetics has some great palettes out there. I find that I grab them all the time. Shout out to BH for making beautiful eyeshadow palettes. I'm starting off with this color right here. That's a really great neutral crease color. So these are technically highlighters, but I think the great thing is that you can play with all of these different shades and use them for whatever you want. So I'm gonna dip my brush into this color Utopia and a little bit of Prickly Pear and a little bit of Terrain. Just kind of dip my brush in all of these colors, all of these kind of bronzy tones, and just make up my own color, I guess. Just like that. So pretty. And then once you have that on your lid, just go back with that first blending brush and just kind of work both colors into each other so everything blends beautifully. I'm taking a mix of all those same colors again, but going in with a slightly different brush this time so I can just sweep those colors a little bit along my lower lash line. I don't know what brush this is. This is from Smith Cosmetics. This is number 220. I really love the shape of this. So I don't have any other brush that's like this. So this is a really great one. Next, I'm going in with all of these kind of pinky, shimmery tones. I love this color right here, Mineral, and maybe even a little bit of Quartz, this right here, just to kind of give like a little bit of a pinky shimmer to the look. This is what makes this look just like really bright and summery and pretty and playful for summer. Plus I really wanted to use kind of tones that are gonna go really beautiful with this hair color, which I think is kind of the right vibe. I've been doing this look so often because I just think it's so easy and it's just so flattering. I'm gonna go in with this Nude shadow, Sand, and use that kind of as my cleanup color underneath my brows, along the inner corner here. For the cream liner, I'm gonna be using my NARS Black Valley cream liner and an angled brush, kind of doing it the old classic way. This is how I used to do my cat eye liner all the time back in the day. I never used to use the felt pens because I felt like they were just so much harder. I love just doing a pot and an angle brush, so I'm kind of going back to it today. I think that's good. I don't want to go too crazy with the cat eye because I am going to add lashes, so I'm going to leave it like that for now. And if I want to make the liner a bit more intense, I could do it after the lashes are on. That is also a very good tip to know. For lashes today, I'm using these ones from Eyelure and Nikki Filippi. Their collab. I've been loving these lashes. I use them quite a lot. I'm gonna add a pop of highlight right in the inner corner, and I'll be using my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. If you guys haven't seen my latest video where I list my top 5 favorite all-time best highlighters, make sure you check it out. It's a great video if you guys are looking for a new highlighter or just want to know which ones are some of the best ones out there. It was not easy. There were definitely ones that I wanted to include, but I had to be picky. So if you guys are gonna know which ones I picked, make sure you check out that video. I wanted to show you guys something that I absolutely am obsessed with because I just discovered it, and this is not a new product. I know it's been around for a while, but I just discovered it. It is the Tight Line Mascara from IT Cosmetics. Look at this mascara wand, you guys. It is tiny. So this is so amazing for your lower lashes. You could literally get in there and get every single hair on your lower lashes, but it's so good because the wand is so thin, you never have to worry about it looking clumpy or smudging at all. I am obsessed with this mascara. For cheeks, I am going for this beautiful color from Bobbi Brown. It is one of their shimmer sticks, and I love that it's all kind of in these different tones of pink to go with the vibe of this look. So you do have to be careful with this because this is kind of like a highlighting blush. So yes, it does have a lot of color to it, but it is very shimmery. So when you're applying this, be aware that you are gonna get a lot of shimmer on your cheeks, which I don't mind. It's kind of the vibe that I'm going for since this is like a really pretty summery look. For highlighter, I'm gonna dip my brush into a couple of these highlighter colors from that same palette that we used earlier. I think I'm gonna go for this one here, Serenity. Serenity, am I saying that right? Because it has more of a pink undertone to it. And that is definitely kind of the vibe for this whole look. I really wanted these shadows to work with the hair color. So that's why everything kind of has like a slight pink red undertone to it. For lips, I'll be doing 3 steps: liner, lipstick, and lip gloss. Starting off with a nude liner. This is the Balm Cosmetics Pickup Liner in the color I Really Dig You. This is just like a great nude color. And then over that, I'm applying the color Yash from MAC. This is pretty much a nude lipstick. I really hope that this is still available. I hope it's not discontinued. Sometimes I feel MAC lipsticks discontinue quite often. I will leave everything for you guys in the description box below. As always, I'll list all the products and I'll add links for you guys in case you want to check them out. And the last step, I'm applying a bit of a lip gloss. This one is from Laura Mercier. This is the color Opal. It's a very pretty gloss. It has a little bit of pink to it. So this is the look that has been my go-to glam for the last little while. Make sure you guys check out the description box below if you want to see all the products that I use, including, of course, the Garnier Olia color that I am in love with and obsessed with. It is the 3.6 Darkest Red Rose. I cannot wait to read all of your comments about the Garnier campaign that I'm gonna be in. I wanna say thank you so much, you guys, for supporting me and for always giving me great feedback, and I cannot wait to hear what you guys think. Hit the subscribe button if you are new. Add me on Instagram if you haven't already, and on Twitter. On Instagram, I'm at Eman, and on Twitter, I'm Eman Makeup. And that's it, guys. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video very soon. Bye.